In this video, I will show you how you can speed up a video on any iPad. Now to do that, first of all, just open the iMovies app on your iPad, and after that, just tap on Start New Project. From here, just select Movie, and on this page, just select Video. And from your Gallery app, just select any video which you want to speed up. For example, I will select this video, then just tap on the check icon and select Create Movie. And as you can see, this is the video which I want to speed up. As you can see, currently the duration of this video is 13 seconds. Now to speed up this video, just tap on the video and select speed. As you can see, this video is currently on 1x, but you can speed up this video up to 2x. And as you can see, the duration of the video has been decreased to 6 seconds. Now to save this video, just tap on Done and select the share button over here. Now just tap on Save or Share Video, and at the bottom of the pop-up menu, just select Save Video. And once your video finishes exporting, then just select OK and go to your home screen. Now if I open the Photos app, as you can see, this is the video which we have sped up. If you want to speed up your video even more, then for that you will have to download a third-party app. To do that, just open the App Store, and in the search bar, just search this. Now just install this app on your iPad. After that, just tap on Create New Project and select the video which you want to speed up. For example, I will select this video, and after that, just tap on Add. As you can see, the duration of this video is 13 seconds. Now to speed up this video, just tap on the video, and at the bottom of the screen, just tap on Speed. Now just select Normal. Now over here, as you can see, you can speed up this video from 1x up to 100x, just like that. Now after you speed up the video to however you want, for example, I'll set it on 7x. Now to save this video, just tap on Export and select Done. Now if I go to the home screen and if I open the Photos app, as you can see, this is the video which I have sped up using CapCut. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.